In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to verify your identity error on Apple Pay step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Let's get started. If you're seeing the message saying you're unable to verify your identity on Apple Pay, there are several methods you can try to resolve the issue. First, check your date and time settings. Open the Settings app on your device, then go to General and tap on Date and Time. Make sure that the date and time are set correctly. It's recommended to enable Set Automatically so your device syncs with the correct time zone. If the time or date is incorrect, it can interfere with verification processes, including Apple Pay identity verification. The next method is to sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. You can also open the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, sign out from there if needed, and then sign back in. Refreshing your Apple ID session can often resolve verification errors. If the issue continues, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Identity verification requires a reliable network. Connect to a secure and stable Wi-Fi network, and avoid using public or unstable connections during the verification process. Once connected to a strong network, try verifying your identity again. Another method you can try is resetting your network settings. Go to Settings and tap on Search bar, and then search Reset Network Settings and tap on it. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations, so you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi afterward. After the reset is complete, reconnect to your network and try setting up Apple Pay again. If you're still seeing the unable to verify your identity on Apple Pay message after trying all these steps, the final option is to contact Apple support directly. They can review your account and provide more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.